Hey guys, so there was one time I was working on an Elementor project and I was trying to trim an ACF field, basically what the ACF field was returning into a loop grid. And I realized that ACF does not have an inbuilt way of doing that. So I'm basically making this video just to share how I figured it out. And by the end of this video, you won't be able to just trim ACF fields. You'll be able to do different things. You can basically manipulate the data before you output it on what's it called on the Elementor editor or on your front end. So the thing is, there are a lot of add-ons that you can use to do this. But if you want to save money, what I'm going to teach you in this video is you can apply it to a lot of other things. So you don't really need you don't really need add-ons anymore. That's if you're able to understand this. So what you would do is you'd come to the field and then you scroll down, you choose ACF field, and then you'd select the whatever you want to get in. So this would just be so normally if you want to as it is now, you can't there's no way of trimming this. You can't make this like just 20 words or 20 characters or whatever. So the way I came across solving this was creating shortcodes. So you can create with WordPress, you can create special shortcodes, and those shortcodes, what they do is they allow you to basically create a predefined, let's say, modification. So I'm just going to show you, so it doesn't sound too complicated. So I'm going to show you the one I generated for what's it called for trimming. That's for this video. So I used ChatGPT to generate this. It's really straightforward. What it does is it allows you to set the total number of words you want, and also you enter the field name. So in this case, we would all have to do is just copy this. We'll go to our themes under themes function. So what you want to do is normally you'd want to do this in a child theme, not on your main theme, or you could use one of those code snippets tools. But since it's just a tutorial, I'm just going to show you here. So what you do is you paste this in here. You just paste in this whole code. Now this is the shortcode and this is how it works. So you copy this now, you copy this, you update this file. Now all you have to do is whenever you want to trim something, you want a ACL field to be trimmed and the output to come out a certain way. Instead of using this whole stuff here, that's this ACF field selector, you would come to dynamic tags, you scroll down and you see shortcode. So this is what you'll be using. So you're just pasting this, and now the field name, I'm going to get a field name. I think it's article summary. Yeah, article summary. I'm just going to change it here. Couple of article summary. Okay, we can leave the word count as 20, and as you can see, it's working here. So this is a one way I found that you can use to manipulate ACF fields. So you can trim ACF fields. I mean, so you can change this 20 to 30. You can modify the code if you want to. But basically, that's just it. If you don't add this, it's just going to default to 30. So knowing this, what this means is you can create special shortcodes for different problems you come across when it comes to manipulating ACL fields and their data. And you don't need to code it yourself. Just all you need to do is explain it to ChatGPT or Gemini, and they will give you the code. And the code is normally very short. So for you not to complicate things, just make sure that they are all what's it called? They are very simple things that you want to do. So you can make one for trimming, you can make one for removing extra space or adding three lines at the back. So yeah, that's just basically what this tutorial was for. I just wanted to show you this, and I hope you guys find it useful. I'll see you guys in the next video.